According to the United Nations International Panel on Climate Change, 17% of all greenhouse gases caused by man are due to deforestation, particularly in the tropics. That's greater than the pollution caused by the combination of all the planes, cars, and trucks on planet Earth.
Grandes pales que hay. A mí me duele cuando miro que están poniéndole el machete a un árbol. Esa es vida para nosotros, porque son los que traen la savia. Y la savia es la que jala el invierno, la que viene en la... Y ese ha sido el problema más grande del descontrol de nuestra naturaleza.
About 1/2 of a tree's weight is carbon. So when these forests are destroyed, that stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere. When new trees are planted, they act as carbon pumps, sucking the carbon out of the air and storing it into their plant tissue. Due to the year-round growing conditions in the tropics, trees can grow up to 10 times faster than in northern climates, making tropical reforestation one of the most cost-effective tools in fighting climate change. The seeds from the nursery are gathered from trees within the community. That ensures that they are not only adapted to the region, but well suited to the microclimate of that specific village. Only when tree species are exhausted from that area are seedlings transported from outside nurseries.
Is you've got a rootstock of another mango tree, and this part here is a branch of a mature mango tree of a specific kind that they then cut a branch off the mature tree, cut the top off the root base, and insert it in and bandage it up. And then it heals together to make a grafted tree. And what this is going to do is that it's going to start producing fruit a lot earlier, as well as you know exactly it's a clone of the exact fruit tree that you wanted. And this will grow into a big tree. So a big important part of reforestation here is that people value the trees. So by incorporating fruit trees into it, a fruit tree is just like any other tree, but people benefit directly from being able to get a food source from it.
The restoration of a forest ecosystem is a long process, but it is one that can energize and unite a whole community.
I think the purpose of getting really involved with the planting itself is just to show not only that, that we want to be actively participating in what they're doing in sort of a metaphoric sense, but also that that we're willing to get our hands dirty maybe a bit with this project too. And beyond that, I think it's a good learning lesson for us to be able to know what the process is, know how hard it is for a day's work of volunteer work to stand out in the hot sun and dig holes and plant trees.
Because trees have the power to improve our climate, the air, the water, the soil, wildlife habitats, and human lives. Because we're all responsible for the state of our planet, Taking Root, in collaboration with Fedi Camp and rural communities in Nicaragua, is working towards creating positive change. Taking Root firmly believes that sustainable forestry can be a powerful engine towards community development and a key component in the fight against global warming.